We're excited to introduce one of the most efficient saws in the Spida range of machinery. The Tornado will automatically feed, cut, print and eject components, handling 6 metre lengths stacked 3 high. Designed with optimisation in mind, the Tornado makes the most of your timber purchases per job, across multiple jobs or for the whole day's production. Its amazing optimisation software can be controlled either from the detailer's desk or at the saw itself. The price point makes the Tornado a cost-effective solution. Speed, one of the fastest saws available, accuracy, ease of operation and increased productivity means it's a great addition to your plant. Your production numbers will increase without having to add any extra labour. And there's reduced waste as you have the ability to cut previously unused or waste timber into stock components. The Tornado includes a small component recovery system which allows small and large components to be separated as they're cut. Elegantly designed and built in New Zealand, the Tornado is easy to operate and its 24-inch industrial flat touchscreen provides greater usability.
One of our customers decided to bring the Tornado into their production centre for a number of reasons. It's cost effective, it has great production output, the numbers really are outstanding and it keeps up with demand. It was important for our customer to have local support and work with a company that's known and trusted. Spida ticked all the boxes. Having support and service here in New Zealand is key to improved uptime of the saw. They're not relying on overseas support for diagnostics, parts or spares. Safety was also paramount for our customer and was key in their decision making. We worked with our customer, incorporating their safety measures in the Tornado's day-to-day production so they can work safely and productively in their own environment. The Tornado's fully enclosed saw blade was an extremely important safety feature for our customer. Our customers' production has increased incrementally as they've learned more about the saw. The cut components get to the frame line much quicker than ever before. Keeping the infeed deck full, double and triple stacking, small piece separation and printing on all members has given them the most advantage. Our customer is impressed with the benefits of the Tornado. They've made the decision to purchase more Tornadoes for this site and others across New Zealand. We're really excited to see the results they can achieve.
Here at Spida, we can help you achieve the results you're looking for in your truss plant. The Tornado is the ultimate mix of speed, accuracy, performance, efficiency and reliability for your wall frame cutting.